The guys from Amazon, this brand sent me free for review. They heard I was in the lawn business, so they said we want to send you a core and tell me what you think about it. So I said sure, send it on down the pipe. We'll put it together and see how it works. Just to show you this, step on it, pull it out. There's the core. So I got this core and put it together, really easy to put together. And sometimes you want nutrients to get into your soil and they'll just sit on top of the grass. I went ahead and thatched some of this out just to show you this. Step on it, some of the lawn, and you just pop these out. You don't own a large property, this is really nice just to get fertilizer, or you can even seed like this in a garden. Punch in the holes and whatnot. Got this free for review. Easy put together, great little product.